इंट्रो ही कर लेते हैं।
First of all, it's very unique, right? And the pricing, it's like something to have a royal 23 carat edible gold biryani at your platter and your plate. People do not bother about the pricing. But Royal Gold Biryani, we wanted to create something unique to cater to. That's why I've created this royal dish called Royal Gold Biryani. It's simply when you eat the good food with friends, it tastes much better. That's what we have created this royal product for you to experience, and with love we serve this Royal Gold Biryani.
The taste was amazing. It is something that I've never tried before, especially you have biryani and you have gold on top of your food. So yes, it is one of a kind of experience to come and try.